In the UK, you can open a bank account in mere minutes and just a few taps on your phone. Couldn't be easier. Unless, of course, you're having trouble pinpointing the last place you put your driver's license or passport. If you find yourself in this situation, never fear. Opening a bank account without ID isn't exactly impossible, but there are a few important caveats you need to know. Take a look. Okay, I'll be honest here. The short answer is no. To protect you against fraud or another person opening an account in your name, banks need to verify that you are who you say you are. And this applies for digital and mobile-only banks as well as traditional ones. Even when you're opening an account online or through an app, you'll typically be asked for photos of your passport or driving license, as well as a video of yourself. Most documents that count as ID will display both your personal details and a picture of yourself. If you have a UK passport or a UK driver's license, you're sorted. In lieu of either of these, here's a list of alternative IDs most banks will accept. Head to finder.com for more information on each. Links are tagged in the description below. It can end up being a bit of a catch-22, as many of these documents will require you to have an ID to apply for them. It's worth noting that this is a general list and different banks may have slightly different policies. If you're trying to open an account with one of these alternative IDs, especially the less straightforward ones like a benefits letter, it will probably be easier to open an account in branch at a traditional bank such as Lloyds or Barclays, as opposed to setting up a digital-only bank account. In cases where you can apply for and open an account without proving your identity or visiting a branch, this will typically involve your identity being verified through a credit reference agency by running a soft credit check that lenders won't be able to see on your credit record. For banks to be able to verify your identity this way, however, your credit report will need to contain a certain amount of information about you. If this is the first time you're applying for a current account or banking product, don't expect it to work. It's worth being aware here too that some banks will perform a full credit check when you apply for a current account, especially if it comes with an overdraft facility, and this could affect your credit score. In the absence of a photo ID, you may be able to apply in branch with two complementary alternative forms of ID, like a government-issued document containing your full name and an alternative official document like a utility bill or council tax bill that contains your name and either your address or date of birth. As mentioned before, different banks will have slightly different policies, so it's worth checking the specific requirements of the provider you want to bank with in advance. For more information, head to finder.com. I've tagged loads of useful links below, so have a browse or drop us a question in the comments below. And give us a like or subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.